Hello guys, I am MJ. Today I am going to teach you how to make an origami flapping bird and welcome to my channel. I will be posting videos about tips and tricks about origami and arts and craft. Let's get on with the video. Your model will look like this. If you pull the tail, the wings will flap. And you can decorate it like this if you want. Now let's get on with it. First, if you have an A4 size sheet, don't worry. Just fold it and make a square. Fold it like this. You always need to see the crease while you do any kind of origami. Then fold it like this. While tearing this, you have to be careful. If you do not want to do like this, then you can use scissors. It will be much convenient. Now, you get a line like this. You have to fold it the opposite side. You have to fold it in the exact line like this, or else it will look a bit odd. So again, fold it like this. You just carefully observe me. When a hard step comes, I'll explain it. Now this is a hard step. You have to fold it like this. Earlier you have made these creases, so you have to press in it like this and you have to make a square. You have to press this also inside and make a square. Now it should be like this. You have to have these two triangles and open space. Now fold this here. Again fold this here. Do it on the back side also. We are doing this step because we want to get the another step perfect, or else the page will get torn. Now fold it inwards. Now open the flaps. Now you get like this. Then open this. Put your hand in. Now fold it. This is the step for which we made the crease. You have to fold it like this and just put it down. Do it on the back side also. You have to do this step carefully, or else the paper might get torn. Many a times my page got torn because of this step, but if you do practice, you will be able to do it perfectly without any disturbance. Now you get like this. Open this side, pull this flap up, fold it like this. Do on the back side also. After doing that, just smooth out all the edges. Now pull this flap little bit outside. Do the same on this side also. This is also a little bit hard step, but as I said, with practice you can get anything perfect. Now fold it like this. See, you get these wings. Now check which side is more flappable. Now make a head here. done. Our flapping bird is done. I will be posting more videos on other things, and please like, share and subscribe. Also stay home, stay safe.